Well, not the perfect start to Power Tour, but I'm in the garage getting the car ready. I lifted it up on the hoist to go through it all. And it looks kind of bright in here, except for there's no lights on. And yeah, my hoist has no electricity. Power just went out and my car's stuck in the air. I was supposed to leave in about 20 minutes. Well, a little update. It was out for about an hour. It's 8:30. The lights just came back on. So I'm about to get the car put down on the ground. And then we got to start actually packing it because I still have to put everything in the trunk. Well, we finally got the car packed and we're off. It turned out that an electrical box shorted out. And so my whole town was out of power for like an hour and a half this morning. However, after the sun was out all morning, I'm now pulling down my street and my windshield is just starting to get rained on. I really hope this is the worst that happens on Power Tour for me this year because it's starting off not necessarily the greatest, but we're on our way to Juliet to check in for this year's Hot Rod Power Tour. Yeah, we're not getting a parking spot here. And there's a wedding even.
Man. Yeah, brutal.
Okay, this is a bad idea. Well, we officially are turning onto the beginning of Route 66. However, this place is absolutely packed with people everywhere. So the chances of us getting out and getting the sign are slim. Should be right up here. Can we pull over real quick for a second? Let's see. I think it's right on the corner up here somewhere.
Destination is on the right.
It's on the right side. Oh, right here.
Sure.
Route 66.
Oh, is it that sign? Yeah, right on. Yeah.
Here, give me the camera quick.
There you go.
Well, no, we're good enough.
Nah.
We're good.
You want me to get a picture of your car in front of it?
Yeah. Could you do that?
Yeah, we're good.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. All right, we gotta go. Oh, we're just making it into the venue now. All these guys got their credentials and they're headed to their hotels. As we pull into some rain, we made it almost all the way here before we got wet. So we were on the edge of the rain most of the way. But
Holy cats, the parking lot's full.
here we are. Yeah, parking lot's filled. I'm so glad we have gold. Our wait line should be really short with gold tickets. So that's the line to early check-in, way down there. Or wraps all the way around for regular long hauler. The benefit of a gold and platinum ticket. Our line is way shorter. So the money you pay extra gets you around all that line. Because the gold club and the platinum line is very, very short to check in here. So it took us about 15-20 minutes total to get checked in, and the long haul line is literally around the entire parking lot still. So the benefit of a gold ticket is right there. Well, we got checked in before the rain. So luckily with gold passes, we were not sitting in the line during this rainstorm. Well, we're about to start the beginning of day one. We got the new sticker on the back of the car. We're ready to head into the drag strip to hopefully have good enough weather to actually get the car down the strip today. It is going to rain this afternoon, so hopefully this morning stays dry and they open the track up and I can actually get the car down the track. Well, we made it into the event. We with gold parking, we had our own entrance, so there's literally no line to get in. I'm not sure exactly what the long hauler looks like yet. We'll have to climb up on top of stands up there and take a look at the entire crowd. But we're gonna go and get some things through the midway and pick up all of our goodie bags that we get. Pretty sure the Firebird's getting in line to race, so maybe they are opening the track. We're gonna go walk through and get our stuff and figure out if that's what we're doing next. But hopefully it stays dry enough for us to actually hit the track. So. Well, they are laying down rubber, so with any luck, the track will be dry enough to run here. All right, so over there is the speedway. As you can see, it's filled with cars still getting their credentials to register. And this front road, you can't really see it because it's below that embankment. There's some of the cars. It wraps all the way around, and the long haulers are starting to pile in now. It's going to be a huge show. Well, it's 10:30, and this side of the track is pretty much completely filled, and they've actually started to fill up the other side of the track over there. And registration, which is far off in the distance, still has a ton of cars lined up over there, just getting checked in. This is definitely going to be a record power tour. And the winner of Six Smokies is here doing some testing, and we'll see him next week on Six Summer, as well as the difficult milk truck. It should be put back together and running. Well, I just got in line at Route 66 Dragway to get the car teched, and as you can see, we went from no rain to rain. I think we're probably going to have a rainstorm come through that's going to probably soak the track, and they're going to end up canceling racing here today, but maybe not. We'll see. Looking at the radar, there is a big storm cloud coming our way, so fingers crossed we get to run it down the track. Well, it looks like we're going to be lucky enough to actually get out on the track. So I got the car warming up, and it looks like I'm going to be like the third group of cars to actually get down Route 66 Dragway. However, there's a lot of people in line to do it, so hopefully the rain holds off and we get to do this a few times. Well, we're going under the tunnel. Hopefully we're going to start racing here really soon. Everybody trying to skedaddle now because that storm that looks like it's coming right there.
Yeah, I think it might be.
Well, the sky's kind of clearing up. It's looking like it's going to be a pretty nice night. The hotel is packed. Day one is just about done. Hopefully tomorrow gives us a little bit better weather and we'll get a lot more footage of the cars at the actual show. But today was awesome. I accomplished everything I wanted to do. Car's running great.